Opening a computer, hard drive, disk, HDD requires care as it's a sensitive device. Asterisk warning, asterisk opening. A hard drive may void its warranty and potentially damage the device. Proceed with caution. Asterisk tools needed. Asterisk 1. Torx or Phillips screwdriver, depending on the HDD model. 2. Anti-static wrist strap or mat. 3. Clean workspace. Steps. 1. Asterisk disconnect the HDD asterisk. Remove the HDD from your computer or external enclosure. 2. Himovi screws. Use a Torx or Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the HDD's casing. 3. Asterisk open the casing asterisk. Gently pry open the casing, taking care not to touch the internal components. For asterisk access the platters asterisk. You'll see the platters. Heads and other internal components. Asterisk important. Asterisk be aware that opening a hard drive can expose you to static electricity, which can damage components, dust and debris, which can contaminate the internal environment, potential data loss or corruption. If you're looking to recover data or repair a failed HDD, consider consulting a professional data recovery service. Would you like more specific guidance or information on data recovery options?